What would you do if you saw a cat stuck in a tree, upside down? One sunny afternoon, a frantic caller reached the fire brigade, insisting that a feline friend was hanging precariously by its tail. Firefighters arrived at the park, perplexed but amused, ready with their gear for a standard rescue mission. Yet, upon inspection, they found not a cat, but a clever raccoon mimicking a cat's behavior, dangling from a thick branch. The crew couldn't help but laugh as they explained the mix-up to the relieved caller, who soon joined them in laughter. In the end, they gently helped the raccoon down, reminding everyone that sometimes truth is stranger than fiction.